Jenkins family milk vending machine. We've just bought our bottle and now we're going to put it in the vending machine and choose which milkshake we want. So we're going to go for the special, which is the cream egg this week. So, let me show you card. And then it'll fill it up. It'll fill it up.
We need to press start, don't we?
Press start. So on the screen here, it shows you how full your bottle is.
Ah.
There we are, it's finished. So now we can open the door, put on our lid. The machine's getting clean, ready for the next person. You get yourself a straw and have a taste. Delicious.
Delicious.